Let's walk through the steps on how to do video verification for your Google Business Profile on your smartphone. So first, what you're going to want to do is open the Google Maps app. Once it's open, go ahead and click Business in the bottom right. And you want to make sure that you have the right business selected. If you have multiple ones like we do, find the one that you want to use and select it. Make sure it's showing there. Now, in the middle of the page, you'll see it says See Business Profile. Click on that. So this brings us to our business profile. You can see right here, it says Get Verified. That's what we're going to click on. Now it's going to walk us through the process. Type in the mailing address that is associated with your Google Business Profile. Now, just a caveat, if you are a service area-based business and don't have a brick and mortar location, put in the mailing address that you receive business mail to, and you can set it to not show up on your Google Business Profile. This is simply for the verification process. So once you've got your information typed in here, scroll down to the bottom, click Next. Now, if you're like us, you've got business verification set for video. So go ahead and make sure that is selected and click Next. Now it's going to ask you yet again for your address. Go ahead and type that in. I promise this is the last time. And once you have that, scroll down to the bottom and click Next. All right, so again, we're going to click on Business Video and Next. Now it's going to give us pointers, and it's very specific that we need to follow these. The first one is your location should match your business profile service area. So for us, it's Western North Carolina. We're going to be shooting in Western North Carolina. The second point is your business name and category should match your business. It does. We are a junk removal and hauling business, and you have to be an authorized representative of the business. So if all those things are true, we want to click Next. Now it's going to give us some more tips. It says plan ahead. Make sure that you capture all three of those items that we mentioned in the previous step in one continuous recording. And this is really, really important. You want to be in between 1 to 2 minutes and definitely not to exceed 5 minutes. You just want to hit those three items in quick succession. And you want to start outside. And if you have the ability to go inside the business, then you'll kind of do the surroundings and then move inside. So next, we're going to click Start Recording. It says Allow Access. We're going to click Next. It says Allow. We're going to allow the camera to work. And now it gives us those 3 pointers again. So it says Location, Business Name and Category, and Proof of Management. So read down through these. Make sure, like they said, that you plan ahead. You've got everything set up. You're literally going to click Record. It's going to record. Now we're done. We're getting ready to upload it. So you click Stop, and it says you're almost done. Confirm that you captured all these different things. And then at the bottom, you're going to click Upload. It'll go through the upload process, and then it will say, congratulations, you have uploaded your verification video. Please give us up to 5 days to verify your business. So that's it. It's as easy as that.